outfit. Almost there. Opens at 11:30, so that's me. Members meetup, so exciting. Let's see. Here's the restaurant. It's a really nice, fancy restaurant by the harbor. Really nice view. Am I early? Am I the only one here? I think I'm the only one here. Here's the harbor. Really beautiful view. I was too early. They told me to come back at 11:30. And I'm only like 10 minutes early, I guess. But, oh well. Let's see if the members will arrive anytime soon, because I'm the only one here. Yeah, but let me show you the view from here. From this. Wow. Wow, it's so nice. It's really nice here. Look at that. I mean, the view from my room, from my suite, is pretty nice as well. But this is another angle. Hi! Oh my gosh!
Right? Just like
Whatever.
yeah, give me lah.
That went really well. So if you do that trip to Singapore already, why would you come back to Singapore again?
Okay.
Do you guys mind being in the vlog? Wow! Wow, so nice.
But you haven't taken off the plastic.
I mean, all was really vibrant.
We're so extra.
I know, right?
We're here!
Okay. Now go down to the shoes.
Sure.
Show us the back.
Approve. my friends, nobody wants to move. We're just sitting there waiting for someone to volunteer. Like, we're not moving, we're not moving.
Oh wow.
Cây luôn. Cây thật Malaysia cây.
Also, I from a brass box. Maybe never take out the sticker lah. That's why. Okay. I see here. Nice.
Nice.
So you did really contrast stitching. I did.
I love that. Oh my
Have you been to
God.
Hong Kong Ngầu Lại?
No, go ahead. It's good that you like chop it. That looks so good.
Did you guys have any like bow?
The real new one. My mom was
I saw virtual memes.
Oh yeah, that's breakfast, right? Feels so guilty though.
For your
Yeah,
sensitivity.
guilty. It's the rest. Why?
Wow, 姨媽你覺得邊個靚就俾呢個睇啊？姨媽邊個靚啲啊？灰色靚啲啊？定係呢個黑色靚啲啊？好得人驚，我兩個都買咗。嚇！救命啊！好靚啊！呢兩個買得好靚啊！
香港我都見到你嘅啫，我未走啊。
飛回啊
我約定到為你佢落埋。
Good morning. I'm on my way to K11 to meet up with Joe and Kat. I think Joe's leaving tomorrow or today. I don't know. Kat's leaving today, so we're just gonna have some lunch. I'm going through a tunnel, which is so cool. Everything is connected here in the Dimsaja area. My nephew Caden would love this place. I was dropped off like right here on Middle Road in front of the Peninsula Chanel store, and I just walked over here, came down the escalator tunnel, and I'm walking towards up this escalator. Here's the museum. This escalator from the tunnel brings us up to the K11 building. Really windy today because it's supposed to be typhoon. Heading inside. I don't know if I vlogged here last time, but I'm in K11 and meeting up at the food court area. And yeah, so I see Joe again. This is the K11 mall, which is attached to the Rosewood Hotel. Very, very nice area. Checking out the pastry that we had last time. They are definitely more restocked because it's so early. This was really good last time. Some savory, some sweets. This one looks really good. There's lots of nuts.
Yeah, the airport.
This one looks really good as well. I'm kind of torn which one to get. Fresh chocolate croissant, matcha croissant, chestnut apple Danish.
Big selection.
These look so good. Here's another matcha almond croissant. Wow. I have no idea what I want. I know. It's like, seriously?
度啫。我哋問點解我哋會揀咗呢間餐廳？
呢間餐廳唔使福位咯。你未食過？
未試過啊！我第一次聽大烚口話咩嚟㗎？
係咩？
因為篤手，哇都幾篤嘅喎，哇幾實下喎，
撳咗學唔得喎。
你都開唔到，
就因為呢啲好篤啊！
呢個難搞啲啦，原來。如果唔係3個人都開唔到喎，唔得喎，係咪啊？
啊！
因為唔係咯，我有個
要好大力，
翻返嚟啦！
你想大力佢就篤你隻手啊！
唔係俾佢篤你㗎，你要。
哦，咁就得，咁就得。
你唔
即係用手唔得嘅，一定要用架生。
啊，我
唔該晒。